my name is Rohini and I'm a rising junior at Prospect High School. For my last milestone, I decided to show my completed final project where, using my glove, I can mirror my own fingers' movements to that of my robotic hand. I will demonstrate this right now. In my last milestone, I showed how, using my glove, I can control my 4 servos. However, in this milestone, I decided to install all my 4 servos into my robotic hand. In addition, I used fishing wire to attach my servos to each of the fingers, so I could move the fingers as I moved or rotated the servos. In this stage, I encountered a lot of different struggles. Tensioning was a big struggle for me, especially because every single time I made a slight adjustment, I would have to redo my entire wiring and readjust everything. For the future, I am deciding between 2 different modifications. I'm most probably going to do the one where when a user inputs a character in Chinese, my robotic hand will do the corresponding hand gesture for that character. And I also plan to fix any bugs I'm having right now before my demo night. Thank you.